Bullish Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.277571 and $0.604489 by 2030. Market experts accept ROSE could reach $0.277571 by 2025. The organization's local utility cache, called ROSE, is utilized for marking and designation at the agreement layer, as well with respect to paying exchange expenses. Out of a complete fixed cap of 10 billion, the token had a send-off course supply of 1.5 billion. After some time, delegators and stakers will get impetuses for protecting the organization and how much around 2.3 billion tokens. Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, major investigation. Desert Garden Organization is a Layer 1 blockchain that utilizes verification of stake, as was at that point depicted. It is additionally the business' most memorable protection-centered exertion for open money. The objective of digital currencies is to rush the reception of decentralized finance by the overall population, DeFi. It does this by fostering a stage that is more open, versatile, and reasonable than elective conventions presently available. The organization asserts that the Desert Spring blockchain is very versatile in light of two parts. These are alluded to by the Desert Spring organization as the agreement layer and the paratime layer. The paratime layer makes it workable for various exchanges to be completed simultaneously, speeding up by and large handling execution. The site asserts that contrasted with sharding and parachain procedure on other blockchains, paratime handling is more protected. A critical part of the drive, as per the Desert Spring organization, is security. The drive utilizes a protected processing stage called Confided in Execution Climate, TEE, which, as per Desert Garden Organization, shields shrewd agreement execution and ensures that information is never presented to engineers or validators. Clients can feel more quiet realizing that those connected with will approach their delicate information because of this. Desert Spring Organization, ROSE, specialized examination. Despite the fact that it is hard to give 100% precise specialized examination to the Desert Spring Organization cryptographic money, TradingView's strong specialized examination apparatus permits you to see the amassed ROSE trade rating progressively for the picked time span. The most generally utilized specialized markers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns, are the underpinning of the ROSE/USD report. GovCapital, and a hopeful figure, gives ROSE a bullish cost expectation for a long time. The stage predicts a steady expansion in the normal exchange and cost of the token. In like manner, digital coin price additionally sees the coin expanding in esteem. The gateway predicts an expansion in normal cost however at a somewhat more slow speed. Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, current cost. Desert Garden Organization is right now worth $0.061683. ROSE has moved 1.90% as of now with an exchanging volume of $31,306,370. Desert Garden Organization is right now positioned 103 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $304,854,181. Desert Spring Organization, ROSE, Value Forecast 2022. Desert Garden Organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, ROSE. The ROSE cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0.092524. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.086356 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ROSE is supposed to have a base worth of $0.074019. Desert Spring Organization, ROSE, Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Desert Spring Organization ROSE cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, We guess that the cost of Rose will before long outperform $0.154206. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Rose's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Rose will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.123365 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.135702. Desert Spring Organization, ROSE, Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.215889 and Rose might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Rose is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.197384 and a low of $0.185048 in 2024. Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that Desert Spring Organization effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the Rose coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Rose will be green in 2025. The Rose is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0.277571, with a base cost of $0.246730 and a typical cost of $0.259067. Desert Spring Organization, ROSE, Value Expectation 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Rose cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.320749 by 2026, with a base cost of $0.308413 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Rose has a most extreme value worth of $0.339254. Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.382432. In the event that Rose figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $0.400936. Neglecting to assemble the help Rose needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0.370095. Desert Spring Organization, ROSE, Value Expectation 2028. While Rose is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year